Okay, students, good evening, everyone. Welcome to Gravity 9.8 on the YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss vector days to DPB everyday practice paper. Okay, so this question is for Neet level question. So we will discuss the everyday some important question for upcoming Neet 2023. Okay, so most probably everyday question is published in the YouTube channel after 10 p.m. Okay, and this important question I hope so it will be better for your NEET exam. Okay, and students can follow the YouTube link, and this YouTube channel will provide you all DPP in all chapter for class 11 and 12 it will be provided, and everyday practice paper it will be solved on this YouTube channel, and the video will be published at 10 p.m. Okay, so let's start. This is the DPP 2. Already DPP 1 set 1 we have discussed. This is the vector chapter. Okay, now the first question first question P vector equals to Q vector. So which of the following is not correct? P vector equals to Q vector. So which of the following is not correct? So P vector equals to Q vector. That's mean we can write magnitude of P equals to magnitude of Q, and the P vector unit vector equals to Q vector unit vector. P vector unit vector equals to Q vector unit vector. So also you can write this. Okay, so this option is right. This option magnitude is right. This option magnitude. That's mean let me P vector means equals to Q vector. So the vector magnitude of this equals to magnitude of Q vector, and no, we know the P equals to Q magnitude. So also you can write this. So this option is also right, but here given the only vector is left side and only unit vector is right side. So this side defined as the magnitude, this defined as only defined as the unit vector. So this option is not right. I hope so clear. Next question. The position of the vector r is given a cos omega t I cap and a sin omega t j cap. The velocity of the particle is parallel to position this. First we have to find the velocity. R is given here a cos omega t I cap plus a sin omega t j cap. Okay, this is the question. Now if we derivative of this, then we get the velocity. We will get velocity. If we derivative of this vector, then we will get the velocity. So cos of derivative it will be sine. So minus a omega sine omega t plus a omega cos omega t j cap, and this is the I cap. Sorry. Okay. Now we have to find the direction, velocity, and vector. We have to find the direction, velocity, and vector. Now we have to do the dot product. Now if we do dot product, then I component, so it will be a square omega square sine cos sine omega t cos omega t sine omega t cos omega t minus, and next it will be plus a square omega square symmetry cos omega t sine omega t. We have to dot product, then this multiplication and this I and I component it will be multiply, and j component it will be multiply, and other component it will be 0. So a and a it will be a square omega, sorry not omega square, only omega, and omega cos and sine it will be cos omega t sine omega t, and next a and a it will be a square, and omega only is there, so sine omega t cos omega t. So this side is minus, this minus, and this side is plus, so it will be cancelled out, so it will be 0. And we know that any vector dot product is 0, that's mean they are perpendicular to each other. So we can say the perpendicular to each other, which velocity is perpendicular to each other. velocity and perpendicular. If the velocity is direction and the position is this, velocity and displacement, it will be perpendicular to each other. I hope so clear. Next question. Which of the following is scalar quantity? This is the very easy question. This is the displacement. We know the vector quantity displacement is distance between 2 points, the position vector. Okay. The acceleration is also vector quantity. Change of displacement is velocity. Change of velocity is called the acceleration. Electric field also vector quantity. This is a plus sign and this is minus. The electric field is directed positive to negative direction only. The electric field is directed to only the negative charge. Okay. And the work done. Work done is there is the another more questions. Work done is composition of the vector quantity, but it is the scalar quantity. Clear na? The work done is composition of two physical quantity. Like we know, not like. Work done is equals to force and displacement. The force is vector quantity and displacement is also vector quantity. But the force and displacement is related to the work done is an dot product. So that's why dot product give the only scalar quantity. So the work done is the scalar quantity. I am so clear. Okay. Next. So this is the only work done is here. There is the scalar quantity. And another more relation, KWH. KW is what is KW is? KW is KWH is the unit of the physical quantity. Who is physical quantity? Every students, this silly mistake, kilowatt. Kilowatt means this is the watt, and the watt means every student tell that this is the unit of the power. So no, it is not power. This is multiplied as the hour, time. So kilowatt hour is unit of the energy work done. Work done is converted into the two type of energy: physical energy, kinetic and potential energy. So this is the unit of the work done. We know that kilowatt hour equals to 1 kilowatt hour equals to 3.6 into 10 to the minus, minus not 6 joule. Okay. Next, if a unit vector is represent this, then see what is the unit vector means this multiplication, this square plus this square equals to 1. So 0.5 a square plus 0.8 a square plus c square equals to 1. Okay, so it will be 0.25, it will be 0.64, it will be c square equals to 1. So it is 9 7 8 point plus c square equals to 1. So what is the value of c? 1 minus 0.89. So it will be 0.11 and c equals to root under 0.1. Root under 0.1. Root under 0.1. Root under 0.1. Is it clear now? Okay. We can find this value like this. Next. Question number 6. A boy walking a uniform along a side of rectangular track of size 400 meter and 300 meter starting from the corner of the corner to another side diagonally opposite. Which is the following statement is right? So here is related to the displacement. Here is related to the displacement. So we have to find the displacement. Okay. So displacement, this displacement is diagonally. He is walking diagonally. If he is not mentioned is diagonal, then the option A is right. Distance is 400 and 300. So it is also right. Clear na? It is also right. It is also right if the question is mentioned here the diagonally opposite. So diagonal opposite, the man is standing here and is passing through a diagonally and this point. This is the B point and this is the starting point. Okay. So we have to find the displacement. This is the base and this is the hypotenuse. So 3 square 4 square will be 5 and double zero, it will be 500. 500 displacement. Okay. If any student any question is doubt, then mention the comment in the comment section. Then I will try my best to solve it. Next question. The unit vector parallel to the result of the vector this and this. So the result vector here question first in the Neet question is the small type of question is given, some small type of question given. So this question as a most probably you have to remind the language of the questions, what are saying in the language. The unit vector parallel to the result of this vector. So what have to find the resultant vector, the unit vector. Okay, like the r equals to a vector plus b vector, parallel vector saying plus 2ab cos theta. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. This term is not, we have to write, just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. So the vector A is given, r equals to, you have to find a vector plus b vector. A vector is given 4 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 6 k cap. B vector is given minus I cap plus 3 j cap minus 8 k cap. Okay, 8 k cap. So what is the resultant vector? R equals to this 3 I cap plus 6 j cap plus minus 2 k cap. So what is the unit vector? Unit vector equals to vector by their magnitude. So unit vector you are writing here, unit vector 3 I cap plus 6 j cap minus 2 k cap, minus 2 k cap, and their magnitude, this is the 36, this is 9, 36 plus 9, it is be 36 plus 4, 39, 49, root under 49, 4, 36, 49, 49. This is the unit vector. So unit vector means vector by their magnitude. Okay, vector is composition of direction, that means unit vector and their magnitude. If we divide it by their magnitude, then we will get only the unit vector or direction of this vector. Okay, next question. Surface area is which quantity. We know that normally the area is the scalar quantity, but when we write phi in class 12, phi flux E dot dA, here the dA only the vector quantity, aerial vector যেটা, that's we can say the aerial vector. A is aerial vector. A is known as the aerial vector. Okay, normally phi is the scalar quantity. Phi is the scalar quantity, but it is the aerial vector. A is the, in this case we can consider A is the aerial vector. With respect to a rectangular Cartesian coordinate, three vector is this, where I, J, K are unit vectors along the x, y, z axis respectively. The unit vector are along the direction of the sum of three vectors, A vector, B vector and C vector. I, J, K is the unit vector along the x, y, z. The unit vectors are along the direction of sum of three vector. So three vector, it will be A vector plus B vector plus C vector. It will be I cap equals to 4I, it is minus 3 and it is not given here. So only I cap. Nah, 4I cap, this is minus 2I cap, minus 3I cap. So it will be only I cap, and this vector is I cap is not given. I component is not given. and j, this is minus I minus j, this is plus j, this is plus j, so it will be only j vector and only is k vector. So this is the resultant vector after adding three vectors. So what is the unit vector? So you have to divide it by the unit vector 1 1 1 1, so it will be root 3. So I cap plus j cap plus I cap plus j cap minus k cap. So which option is right? Option A. Clear? Next. So the angle between two vector, A vector equals to 3i cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap, B vector equals to 3i cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap. Okay, the angle between. So the best way to find the angle between two vector, the best way to find the angle between two vector is A vector dot B vector equals to AB cos theta. Right? So best way to find the angle between, so cos theta equals to A dot B by magnitude of A, magnitude of B. So what is the dot product? This is 339, this is 4 4, this is the same symmetry vector. So same vector na. So angle is 0 degree, 0 degree. This angle is 0 degree, but we are solving. We know this. This is same vector. This is the same vector. So what is the angle? They are moving in the same direction, same direction. So the angle is 0. Okay, but I am also solving this. This is 16, 5 5 25 by A vector magnitude 9 plus 16 plus 25 root, and B also 9 plus 16 plus 25. Okay, so this also cut, it will be 1. So cos theta equals to 1. Just a minute, just a minute. Okay, no issue, no issue. 1 means cos 0. Okay, oh, right. So this is cos theta equals to 1. Cos theta equals to 1 and theta equals to 0 degree, same line, same line, same line. Okay, next. The position vector of a particle is determined by this, the distance traveled in the first 10 seconds. So R equals to given 3 t square I cap plus 3 t square I cap plus 3 t square I cap plus 4 t square j cap plus 7 k cap. 7k cap. So let R1 means R0. The time is when is 0. Then this component is omitted. So it will only 7k cap only. R10 when the time is 10 seconds, what is the displacement distance? So it will be 10, 100, 300 I cap. This is 100, also 400 j cap. It will be 7k cap. So what is the displacement? R10 minus R0, it will be these components cancel out, I cap plus 400 j cap. So displacement the magnitude is after root of this 300 square plus 400 square. It will be 2500 square. It will be 500. Okay, this 500 means option 1 is right. Okay, next question. The unit vector parallel to the result of the vector. The unit vector parallel to result of this vector, this and this. So R equals to A vector plus B vector. So it will be 12 I cap plus 5 j cap. So unit vector it will be R vector by magnitude. So r vector equals to 12 I cap plus 5 j cap, and the 12 square is 44 and 5 square is 5, so it will be 116 and root under 116 it will be 13. Okay, this is the question number 12. Any questions? Student, I also repeat, if any question you have doubt, then you can comment in the comment section, so I'll try my best, and I also give my WhatsApp link. Okay, so student can join our direct chat with me. Okay, next 13. The component of vector a vector equals to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap along the vector I cap plus j cap component. So this is the most important question. In which direction the component you have to find, so their magnitude we have to divide it. So here in which direction, this component, this vector direction, find the vector component. So this vector magnitude we have to divide it by this vector magnitude, and this a dot b by I cap plus j cap magnitude. So a dot b equals to 2 plus 3, it will be 5, and the magnitude is 2, this magnitude is 2, this dot product is common, but which vector, in which direction we have to find the component along this vector, then their magnitude we have to divide it. Their magnitude means this vector we have to find the vector along this component, so their magnitude we have to divide it, this is 2, so 5 by root 2, 5 by root 2. Next, the angle between two vector. This is the most easiest questions. A dot B. To find the, I also repeat, to find the angle between two vector is the best way to dot product. Cross product will not find the angle. This is the very difficult. So dot product will get the scalar product of the dot product of the vector. So the dot product is the best way to find the angle between two vector. Okay. So dot product, it will be 3, 3, it will be 9, 4, 4, it will be 16, and 5, 5 minus 25, this is 25, and this is minus 25, 0. So a dot b equals to 0 means the angle is 90 degree. Now a dot b vector equals to ab cos theta. So this term is 0. That means cos theta is also 0, and cos theta 0 when the theta equals to 90 degree. Clear? Next, there are two force 5 and 12. What angle two vector to be added to get the resultant 7 and 17? 7 and 7. Now 2 vector is given, so maximum is 17 and minimum is 7. So maximum angle when it will be normal algebraic sum. So angle it will be 0 degree maximum, and 180 degree means opposite, then means 180 degree. 7 when it will be 7, it will 180 degree, and when it will be 12, then 5 square plus 13, it will be 12 square. 5 square 12 square, that means it will be 169, so root under 169, 13. Now I will revert to the third portion again. We know that r equals to root under a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Okay, so when the cos theta is 90 degree, the three angle is given 0 degree, 180 degree, 90 degree. So 0 degree and 180 degree is completed. So remaining part is 90 degree. Okay, so 90 degree we can click this option, but I am checking again. If it is 90 degree, then this term is also give 0, and this is a vector and this is b vector. 5 square plus 12 square, 5 square plus 5 square plus 12 square, this means 13 square, and root under 13 it will be only 13. Okay, so 0 degree, when 0 degree, then it will be given maximum value, 180 degree opposite value, that means it will be given how much? It will be given the minimum value, the difference of the two vector, and the 13, when 13 gives, it will only Which condition? Which condition? When angle is 90 degree. Next question. A vector is this, B vector is this, the magnitude and the direction. So magnitude is the simple question. Vector magnitude. Vector magnitude, this means 10 I cap plus 5 j cap. Thus magnitude is done. So which option is given? Magnitude. Magnitude it will be 100 square, sorry 100 plus 25. So 125 root under 125 5 root 2, 5 root 2 is option, only option is here, and the angle is this, but I am checking tan theta equals to j cap by I cap. J cap means j cap component, j cap component magnitude by I cap component magnitude. So j cap component is 5 and this is 10, so it will be half. So theta equals to tan inverse half. Theta equals to tan inverse half. Next question. A track traveling north due north at 20 minutes 20 minutes turn west and east in the same speed, the change of speed. So we know that this is the west, this is east. Track traveling north, this is north, this is sorry, this is north, this is south. Alright, this is west, this is east. Am I right? Okay, the track is west. So this is the north, this is west, this is east, this is south. First is moving 20 meter per second. So V1 equals to 20 j cap. V2 equals to is turned this direction. This direction is moving. V2 equals to minus 20 I cap. So change of velocity V2 minus V1. So minus 20 I cap minus 20 j cap. So minus of 20 I cap plus 20 j cap. So minus, both is minus, I minus and j minus. So which coordinate? This coordinate. So in this direction is moving. So it will the west and south. West and southwest. Southwest. This is southwest. 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 So which southwest is given two option. Or magnitude 20 square plus 20 square. So root under 400 plus 400. So it will be 20 root 2. 20 root 2. 20 root 2 means this option, southwest. Okay, next. If the sum of two unit vector is the unit vector, then difference of the unit vector. Sum of two unit vector. So unit vector, this is the unit vector, is n1 square plus n2 square. Okay, plus 2 n1 n2 cos theta. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is cos theta. So here this cancel, this is minus 1 equals to 2 cos theta and cos theta equals to minus half. So cos theta minus half, theta equals to 120 degree. Okay, theta equals to 120, and the magnitude, let's the magnitude of this resultant vector equals to n1 square n2 square plus 2 n1 into cos theta. n1 n2 is the unit vector. So it will be 1 plus 1 plus 2 into half. So half of it will be 3. This will be a square. So n and n, the resultant vector magnitude is resultant vector difference of magnitude equals to root 3. We can also write n equals to n1 minus n2. n1 minus n2. This is the minus side. This is minus. This is all formula minus. And the minus cos theta cos 120 degree, cos here 120 degree, cos 120 degree means minus 1. I also repeat, the difference of vector, the magnitude difference. This is n1 minus n2, and n1, this formula equals to n1 square plus n2 square minus 2 n1 n2 cos theta, and the minus, this is the minus 2 n1 n2 is 1 cos 120 degree, cos 120 degree value is minus half, so minus half it will be plus, minus half it will be plus, so 1 plus 1 and 2 to cancel out, it is 3 and n equals to root 3. Okay, clear? I hope so. Next, a vector equals to b vector equals to this, then what is the value? This is the simple, a vector, a vector component is 2 I cap, it is 2b, 8 2 I cap, and this is double of b means 12 I cap, and c 3 times c, sorry, b equals to 2, this means 6 plus 6, sorry, b, sorry, a vector, component, I component is 2 I cap, b vector I component is not given, so leave it, c vector I component plus 3, so 18 I cap, so 20 I cap, j cap, j component, j minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, so plus 6 j cap, 3 3 no j components, it will be only 7. All right, just a minute, so it will be minus, sorry, it is minus, so minus 5 I cap, minus 5 j cap, so you have 20 I cap and minus 5 j cap, and k component, mm, so this option is already, you will get the answer, minus 5, this one already will get the answer, this component, C, B. Next question, this is the last question, a very important question. An object of mass m kg with speed v meter per second strike a wall at the angle theta and rebound at the same speed with the same angle, then the magnitude of the change in the momentum of the object will be, magnitude of change of momentum object. Now the object is this. Now I am very weak in drawing. This is the theta angle, like this is the m p1, and after rebound this is p. So it is p1 cos theta, and its component is p cos theta, p1 cos theta, so it will be 2p cos theta. So 2p cos theta means 2mb cos theta, 2mb cos theta, 2mb cos theta. I am so clear, students. I am so clear. Thus for today, this video is uploaded from the 12th January. 12th January. Okay, so students get ready every day. Every day. This is the 12th question. Every day I will upload the most 10 to 12 questions every day, and the video will get the YouTube channel Gravity 9.8 at dot 10 p.m. Okay, and any student, our students or unique student have any doubt, any questions, doubt, then write the question number and doubt, write the comments. Okay, so that's for today. Bye everyone.